Hey guys, my last melting video, I said y'all never know what's coming next. And then I showed a picture of a wrecked Katana 600. Well, there's the engine. I've already started melting it. The block was busted 3 different places. Had a hole I could stick my hand in. The head has already been, head and the covers have already been cut up. There's the rest of the pieces of the head. All that remains of that motorcycle. There's the front end underneath the table. The block, the trailing arm. There's some more aluminum pieces in that bucket right there. There's the alternator and the oil cooler. Some copper pieces. That's what's left of the frame. Right there on the floor, excuse the shop. I had to cut it that many times just to get the motor out of it. There's the rear wheel. Now I said I had already been melting pieces. Half of the head and the different covers and stuff on the motor. That's what we got out of the Katana so far. The Kohler engine bill is up there. Those are some random ingots that I poured out of stuff I found laying around. Anyway, I'm still melting. Anyway, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 ingots so far. Out of just the aluminum that was on it. We're gonna see how much I wind up getting out of this thing. I'm gonna get back to the fire and I'll get back with y'all later. Alright y'all, it's been a couple days since I've been out here. I'm kind of sick, but anyway, I wanted to show y'all this motor. If you look right there, there's one place where the crankcase was broke. See all this crap where it's been tried to be repaired. Crankcase was broke right there. And there was somewhere else, but anyway. We're gonna keep melting. We got some stuff in the hole down there. I got the first 6 weighed and numbered. There's some more. We're gonna keep melting on this thing until we get everything melted up. And then I'll give y'all a final weight. I mean, the pistons and everything are still in it. Crankshaft is still in it. Well, you can see right there where the crankshaft broke off. So, I mean, it wasn't, you see right there on the oil pickup where it was broken. The motor just wasn't salvageable. So, it's going in the pot. I always say the devil's forge eats everything. All right, we're gonna get back at it. Alright y'all, this is day, I forgot what day it is. Anyway, it's been several days. And the guy who works for me is cutting this stuff up for me because my arm and my shoulder is messed up. Hey, Joe, it's been a few days. I hadn't been out here very much, but the guy that works for me has been cutting this stuff up for me. And that's what's left out of the motor, out of that Katana 600. One cylinder out of the jug left. What's left in that bucket right there. That's pretty much it. We've got 32 big ingots out of it so far. And the little ones, I'm gonna make big ingots out of those. There's most of the Kohler stuff over there. Anyway, I'm gonna get at it and melt some more up. It's a little cool out here tonight, so I got the stove heated up. I throwed a piece of plastic in there. Oops. Anyway, this is my next project. This is gonna be the new motor for that race mower. 30 horse Kohler. Of course, I gotta disguise it, but anyway. That's another video. Well, get the rest of this stuff melted up, poured up, numbered up, and weighed up. And we'll get y'all the end result. Y'all have a good one.